Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you today? So today in this video I will show you how to set up a campaign on Pipl.ai, because in the previous video I already told you everything about Pipl.ai, and I make a total long review about people. And today I already set a campaign for my client, so that's why I think I don't published it yet, but that's why I think it will be better if I share you, because in the last video I promise you I will yeah, make a video about how to set up a good campaign on People.ai that performs. So let's dive in. And for this client, I am targeting construction firm or construction worker builder uh, on California. We have a offer for them, so we are promoting that and trying to get some client on it. Okay, so let's jump in, and I will show you why I set up everything. And if you have any kind of question, you can ask me on the comment section, and if I made any kind of mistake, you can also tell me on that, because I set it from my perspective. I think it's good for cold mail. So let's dive in. So this is the campaign name. For understanding, I make it like construction and for California. Okay, let's jump in the campaign. So as you know, in the previous video I told you you need to upload the list, right? So if you just click on the import button and import a CSV, and if you click your targeted list, you can see every list are here. So um, if you just so so your imported list look like that, and you need to just make sure what like you need to code the column like which one for which one. So you just need to select them one by one. So I'm seeing if anything wrong is not email. I'm just selecting it as the email. Okay, I don't want to import all of the section because I will make this as a demo campaign. So let's import it. Okay, they're importing our data. So it will maybe take some time and import all of the data. And let's jump on the next section, that is sequence. This is the main section where you play around about your cold mail, cold copywriting, what's your offer, your subject line. So you need to good at your copywriting. So and always you can see quick. I use quick question for first name or quick question first name. This kind of subject line is always work better. Believe me, quick question always perform better. Okay, I have another choice as well, like uh, for uh, for subject line. If you try, you need to keep it short and aim like 4 or 5 like word at least, and personalize if possible. And there is some few there is some few successful subject line I use, and I also see some mentors they are using, so they are working good. So you can use from this list. And remember that your first aim should be open the email, right? Your recipient should open the email. So if your subject line is not make them curious to open the email, then it's not benefited for you. So I think if you write something which make them curious to open your email, that will be good for you. So that means you can use quick question for first name, quick question for first name, then thoughts first name, important for first name, is this you, first name, quick question for company. So these kind of things mostly I use from this list. And here is not the exceptions. Quick question for first name. So I make some variation in the first mail to see which mail or offer or CTA is giving us good result. So For this first mail, I am using quick question for first name. The second one, it will be seriously first name. So if anyone see any kind of email like seriously first name, definitely they will open the email, I believe. So that is thought first name, then are you first name. So if anyone send me email are you SN, then I will definitely open the email because yeah, I am SN. So quick question for first name. So you can see here is some template you can use. This is the basic manual you can use from bold or a line. And here, this is called brand. You are seeing a lot of like wording here, but you can see the word count is 78. Okay, so okay, so you can see there is a lot of text here, but this is called spin text. So I don't want my email land on the spam. So that's why maybe if we send the same email to everyone, like Google can caught it because of spam, because we are doing spam. That's why I try to like I split test or spin text every word what the word possible. I make that spin text, so that means random people get random email. Okay, I make 4 5 variations. So if I send 30 email from every mail, so maybe 1 2 people get same email, otherwise most of the people get different email from different wording. So it will be best for you if you want to avoid spam. Okay, so that's why you can say, so you can say that is hi hello. So some people will be get like hi first name, hey first name, hello first name, and then on the like regards also I am putting spin text. That's called like some will get based Ivan, cheer Ivan, regards Ivan. So here is also a spin text guideline. You can also use time of the day, like day of the time, day of the week. So you can do anything. Okay, so you can also test your email from any user to any user to check how your email look like. And this is the preview email. You are seeing that mask a lot of bunch of text in the email boxes, right? So if I preview it, you will see it will be a really short and simple email. Let's see how it works. Okay, so you can see hello CN, and I'm looking for leading construction company in California and found you online. It seems like there is a way we can support your company in attracting new client and high value project by elevating your online reach. We help after that we help firms in the construction industry such as a new direction science service boost project inquiry within 45 days by 35% using our lead optimized website and enhance with the high quality visual and no constant social media posting needed. Okay, so interested in learning one like those. So you can see, and if you put it again, you will see again the new wording. I'm looking for top builders and different wording. So if you put again, so you can say I'm looking for outstanding construction firm. So you will see every time new email. So it will really help you to like save you from spam. Okay, and for the offer is the most crucial and important thing on your cold mail. So for the offer, I think it's best if you only just use one formula. Okay, for the offer just use this formula. We help your targeted niche to get your expected outcome or result in time frame, or on how many days you will try to get those result, and without their major pain point, by using a unique mechanism. Okay, so if you only use this formula, you can make a definitely like crazy offer. Okay, so for any niche, any service, for anything, just use this formula and it will be a awesome offer like those. We are doing like website design and all-in-one package offer. So you can see we help fitness courses build sales page that boost sign up by 25% in 30 days. So if you are seeing my offer, it's similar like those. We help those 35% within 45 days. with our custom generating website. Okay, so if you have other agency SEO service and everything, don't say the minimal word or like anything like general things. Okay, position your offer in a different way and with a great outcome, so people get interested on your offer. Not instead of saying only our software has the analytics, say our software helps you to identify your underperforming ads and save your time and money. It's the same thing, but you are positioning your offer in a different way. So it makes you different than others. So on the crowded market, you will stand out. So that's why always position your offer like those and use the formula, and it will be really helpful for you, I believe. Okay, this is the next step. There is a lot of variation also. So here is one more offer. So the same offer I make it in different way. I position it to them and different way, and this email is a generic email. Okay, so I don't use any kind of like a huge personalization here because I don't have anything, because I'm not using any like clay or any kind of personalization tool. So I just check the data because client was on hurry, so I just put and minimal data. I'm running the campaign, so see the service offers are right or not. So if we find which offer is good, then when we scale, then we'll make more personalization. So this is the second step. This is a follow up email. So this, you can see a lot of spin text, but if you just preview your email, it will be like those. So in the second email, we are trying to share our case studies with the prospect from our past clients. So you can see a case study like, we assist upgrade construction, receive 50% additional project inquiries in a couple of months by creating a custom website that highlighting their portfolio, leading to two new contract totaling 2,250K total value. So you can see, and if you see the third step, the same thing. There is a lot of spin takes, and also here I put a link on the third email. So if they want, they book a call. So actually you don't need to use any link on your email and any spam word, but here I use it after the third email because the client insisted to check how it's work. I'm not I'm not agree on doing it, but the client insisted, please do it and check how it works. Okay, so that's why I'm put here. So this is a breakup email. After that, we will not follow up with this mail again, prospect again. So this is the schedule button. So in the schedule button, you can choose from which date to which date you want to send your email to your prospect. In my case, I always use Monday to Friday, and Eastern time zone, 10 office time, like 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. between that. And the campaign level is 800. I will gradually increase it because if you are warm up, and after that, the next day, if you are up 2 weeks warm up, if you in the next day just started your campaign and make the highest potential, like you have 30 email and you are sending like 900 or 1000 email at one day, it will create problem, and it will look unusual, and it can be a cause for spam. So that's why you need to gradually increase your email. Okay, like the first day you can send like 300, the second day it will be 400, 500, 600. Like gradually we increase it and it will be look more natural. Okay, and this is the settings. From here you can also change your campaign name and choose your sending emails. Like you have like 100 emails, so you want to use only 50 emails you want to use in this campaign, so you can choose from here. Okay, and prioritize your sending emails, like how many emails you want to new email you want to send reach daily, and how many follow-ups. So I always put it like 50% new lead and 50% follow-up. Okay, I stop send on reply. I forcefully continue to send email if they are saying like out of office or they're not in office, but I continuously send it. I don't know why, because I think I know actually. I think the campaign will be run at least for 1 month. So in that time, maybe they can like back on their work, and in the last mail and the third mail they will get caught up. Okay, so that's why I started sending. So I always disable the open track because that's dead, and I create the bounce rate always 3%. So if any campaign higher than 3% bounce rate, the campaign will be automatically paused. Because if you increase your bounce rate on your email, many email are bouncing, then it will be caught, it will be hurt on your email deliverability, and you will land on spam. It can be cause for your domain blacklisting as well. So that's why I never use more than 3%. Okay, so that's all for now, because I'm not using any subsequences, so that's why I'm not able to show you. So that's all for now. So if you have any kind of question, anything, and just let me know in the comment. I will, or if you want any specific video, just let me know in the comment. I will try to make one. And thank you so much for staying with me and giving me the love. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.